Welcome guys. Today we're gonna see the Samsung Z Fold 4. This device started in August 10th 2022, and today is August 25th. I received my own one. It's sent to me from Xfinity overnight. So let's go and start and see what happened here and what we found in the box. Something. This is the box. Yes, and now we are talking everything to enjoy Xfinity mobile inside. Happy unboxing. Yes, happy unboxing. Xfinity mobile. This is the activation. We remove this packaging stuff. The activation set. Let's see what happened in here. Yeah, this is the instruction. Keep your phone off, go online, activate, and then look out for an email. That's easy. With this is a shipping. We don't need it. And finally, yes, this is the iPhone Fold Z4. Here you go. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Yes, here you go. And this box, we finished with this. To open this box, we have this is our phone, the Z Fold 4. You can find it here. It's a nice color. I like this color so much. I did search online and YouTube to figure out which color to choose. Finally, I chose this one. So this video is only for the unboxing to see what in the box, and I follow up with another videos how turn it on and see the features comes with this phone. Yeah, this box is, I think it's the simple here. Yes, we can find the USB Type-C cable, think I do have the yes, this one and the small pin for to insert the SIM, and very short quick start guide. Absolutely, because this phone, it needs guide like 1000 pages just to understand how this works and what the features it will bring this phone. Hope you enjoy this video, and follow up me and subscribe the channel to find the next video about turn it on and discuss some features comes with this phone, some tips how to use it. Bye bye.